Once you finish sketching all of your friends and yourself playing in your neighborhood, you are going to trace over everything with a skinny Sharpie. Make sure you hold your Sharpie straight up and down or else it might not work. After you finish tracing all of your things with the Sharpie, you are going to take an eraser and erase any extra pencil lines that are left over that you see, around the Sharpie or that you no longer need. You can even add new details that you didn't add with your pencil.